Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is March the 30th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market update. We're simply coming in to give you guys what we are noticing on the charts for today. As usual, the market continues to be in a downswing, continues to break major areas of support on the daily price chart. So if you guys have been following this channel for quite some time, you definitely understand what we're talking about. Before I get started, there's definitely a lot of things that we have here at HueFin News that is not available to the public. And if you guys are more interested in learning more about language analysis in the cryptocurrency space, then come and join us on our Patreon page, HueFin News. There you guys will get access to more exclusive content, things that is not readily available on the internet, things that we're not talking about on our YouTube channel, but rather is more for privileged individuals who are able to and willing to learn more about the language analysis of the chart. You guys will have access to our top 10 cryptocurrency against Bitcoin, and then not only that, you guys will join our private Facebook group to where we all collaborate and talk to one another to understand where the market is going. You guys can ask questions. If you guys got any specific cryptocurrency you want to do, just leave it in our private group, then we'll go ahead and do a video for you in our Patreon page. This is where we all come together and try to understand and help one another in this cryptocurrency space, which is brand new. So if you're interested in learning more about language analysis in the cryptocurrency space, then come and join us on our Patreon page. Now, before I get started on our analysis, please understand that we are not investment advisors. So therefore, anything that is mentioned on this video and on this channel is not to be considered investment advice, but we are simply giving you all the news according to the chart, and we're very confident in our analysis when we do give it. You guys can definitely tell that Bitcoin is still trending lower on this CoinMarketCap website, almost down 10%. Ethereum as well is down 8%. Ripple is down 8.72%, and you guys can see that Litecoin is down almost 5%, 4.75%. So definitely the market is continuing to move lower against the USD. We'll go into our specific trading and see exactly where we expect these cryptocurrencies to go in the next couple of days. So currently we're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 10.49%. Last trade was $6,661. And looking at the daily price chart for Bitcoin, more volume is coming into the cryptocurrency space today. We have not seen this much volume ever since the 9th of March. So obviously it tells us that the market again is in accumulation. The market participants are definitely within this space of Bitcoin and trying to buy up as much of this particular cryptocurrency as possible. We could definitely tell that because the market is trending right here along another major support area here on the side. This is what a lot of technical analysis term the coin double bottom. This is the first bottom to where the market came and found support. It moved higher and now it's coming back down again to test that support area again. So that's what they get double bottom from. Simply means that we need to see if the market is going to hold support around this price area, and if so, then the market will bounce from that support line. But what do we have here on this daily price chart is not giving us the indication that the market is going to recover and move higher. Not yet. Okay, let's take a look at the 3-hour bar. Looking at the 3-hour bars, you guys see we had a very sharp downturn in the market. Probable precursors of strength has been revealed on this last completed 3-hour bar. So the next 3-hour bar is going to be crucial into understanding whether or not the market is at least going to consolidate and move higher. But currently we definitely have nothing but weakness in Bitcoin as we do this video. Let's move it to a 1-hour chart. So even looking at the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin, we're expecting the market to continue to consolidate. 6,800 is going to be resistance in or around that price, and support is going to be all the way back down to and around. Move it to a 30-minute to get the support. And support is going to be right there around $6,600 Now we're trending there now, and we have been in a severe downturn in the market for Bitcoin. So don't expect $6,600 to actually hold that support, especially for the fact that we have had a lot of volume on this particular bar, and we continue to move lower. We only have one precursors of strength bar to where stockpile still is coming in. So definitely we're still expecting Bitcoin to consolidate or even move lower. Consolidation is between 6,600 all the way back up to 68. But if we receive more precursors to weakness around the $6,600 level, then yes, expect it to go lower. Next is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is down 7.61%. The last trade was $375.01. Daily price chart for Ethereum. Definitely see a lot of stockpile coming in the market. The second day for Ethereum, we had a push to go down bar yesterday. Stockpile coming in today with almost about the same amount of volume. So it simply tells us that we're still weak in Ethereum right now. Looking at the 3-hour bars for Ethereum, market tried to make some recovery back here on this 2-3-hour bars, back up to $410, and we've been receiving weakness ever since then. If the market closes below this previous close, we're still expecting Ethereum to continue to move lower. We're not seeing any interest in higher prices right now. So again, looking at Ethereum on the 1-hour chart, precursors of weakness is definitely being reflected. The market had given us a precursors of strength here, but we did not confirm it on the next 1-hour bar, and now we're just simply consolidating. So at best, consolidation will continue. $384 is resistance, but anything below that is going to be support. First area though is 372, next area is 368, but nevertheless we're still looking for Ethereum to continue to move lower, if not just consolidate. So now let's take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 3.98%. Last trade $114.56. Daily price chart, it kind of looks just like Ethereum's price chart. A lot of stockpiles coming in on today's particular trading day, on top of the precursors and weakness that we saw yesterday. So we are still within a precursors of weakness stage for Litecoin. Market is giving us another precursor of weakness. Stockpile continues to be revealed for Litecoin. This is a probable precursor of strength, so the market can still move a little bit higher, and we will move to a 1-hour bar to see how high Litecoin can go. Looking at the 1-hour bars for Litecoin, resistance is right there around $116 or even around 118. So we have to be careful. Market can definitely come up to that price area 116 or 118 throughout the remainder of today's trading, as well as in tomorrow's trading. But nevertheless, we're still looking for this particular cryptocurrency to consolidate. Support needs to be 110 or even possibly 112. If this current 1-hour bar closes above, then yes, expect Litecoin to continue to move to the upside. 116 is resistance, 118 is the next resistance area, and if it breaks both of those resistance areas, then $120 is definitely in the cards for Litecoin. So currently look like we're taking a breather in Litecoin from moving lower. So our analysis for them is for them to continue to consolidate, and just to give you all a wider range, 110 needs to hold that support, and resistance is 120. But we have given you other areas in between that for you to look at your own in particular strategy. So now the last one for today is going to be Ripple. So Ripple is down 8.90%. Last trade was around 48 cents. Daily price chart for Ripple. Market tried to move higher early out in trading today. Right now, you guys can definitely tell that we're not having any interest in higher prices. Volume is about the same as what it was yesterday. So the market participants are definitely within this one particular daily price bar and trying to buy up as much of all of this selling that has been occurring over the beginning of this year. 3-hour bars for Ripple. On this last completed 3-hour bar, a lot more volume has came into the market compared to the last 4 completed 3-hour bars. So we still have weakness within this space. For Ripple, support needs to hold at 47 cents though. Resistance is going to be around 50 cents, maybe even around 51.5 cents. Let's take a look at the 1-hour bar to get a better picture. Same thing with the 1-hour bar. Support has been holding around 47.5 cents. I will even tell you support is around 47 cents. Currently, the market participants are supporting Ripple at this time. And if that's going to continue, then expect Ripple to continue to move to the upside. First area of resistance is going to be right here around 49 cents. And then next area is going to be 49.5 cents throughout trading tomorrow. We can definitely tell on the completion of this 1-hour bar that the market is at least giving us some precursors of strength in the short term. So expect Ripple to move higher in the short term, but as usual, just continue to expect consolidation until we actually get a very strong precursors of strength bar on the daily price chart. So today is just simply a day to possibly come in and do another short trade, grab the market while it's trending lower. And then once you notice more precursors of strength bars, you insert your position. And then once it hits your exit position, that's when you just get out the market and do not participate again until you see another opportunity. The market is still trending lower. So for those long-term traders, just continue to wait until we find another area of support, and you will be notified here on HueFin News. This is what we do. Give you all the news according to the charts before it happens. Okay, so if you guys are still interested in learning more about language analysis in the cryptocurrency space, and as well getting more exclusive content and access to our material, then come and join us on our Patreon page. Okay, that's all I have for today. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.